Have you ever had one of those really long days from work and you just get home, you're just relaxing, enjoying your evening, and somebody sideswipes your vehicle and takes out your mirror? Well, I'm going to show you how you can be able to get that replaced. So if you can look right here, you can kind of see a faint line just following alongside the vehicle right there. They also took out my fender flare here. Scuffed up my tire really bad, knocking off one of the tire weights. Fortunately, this really was the only extent of the damage to the vehicle. Nothing more than that. Because it definitely could have been a lot worse for me. But it's really simple to go ahead and take care of. Let me show you here. So on the inside panel right here on the door, you're just gonna go ahead and pop that off. And it's just that simple. So you don't need to take this panel off whatsoever. Just need to go ahead and remove those 3 screws and you'll just go ahead and start pulling it off. It just comes right on off. Now there's gonna be this cable attached here. So you're gonna want to be careful of that. You just go ahead and detach it, reattach the new one, go ahead and put it back on and just go ahead and tighten down those screws. The screws are back in. You just go ahead and take your clip it back in right there. And then you're gonna wanna make sure that that's lined up. Put it inside the hole, and you're done. I was able to find my part off of eBay, so it was only about $80, $90. When my insurance company asked me if I wanted to go ahead and have them replace everything, it was gonna be like a $500 deposit to go ahead and get that done, get the cowling done, or the fender flare done, but I said, forget it, 80 bucks, I can do that. I don't wanna spend $500. So I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below so that way you can go ahead and find one or anything similar to your vehicle. Best of luck.